Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever hit send on an email in Outlook only to find it stuck in the outbox, just sitting there, not going anywhere? Well, it happens more often than you'd think, and sometimes it's just a tiny glitch that stops Outlook from sending. But the good news is, you don't have to panic or delete the email. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to get stuck messages out of your outbox and send successfully. So, let's fix it right away. Begin by launching your Outlook and going to Send Receive tab. Click on the Send Receive All folder option. Then, let the task complete. If the issue is still unresolved, then click on Work Offline. Now, go to your Outbox and delete all the existing messages. If these steps do not work for you, please continue with the further steps. Open the Task Manager window on your computer. Then, look for the Microsoft option. Right-click on it and then choose End Task. Then, head back to Outlook and select the File option. Now, from the left side panel, click on Options. Next, click on the Advanced options and then make sure the checkbox is selected under the Send and Receive field. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.